Hey YouTube, this is the Bird Voice channel. I'm actually here to show you how to draw a cockatiel. This is how I draw all my cockatiels. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick video about this. I've been wanting to do one, but I haven't. So first thing I always start with is really the beak. Okay, so the beak is going to be like that. This is the thing I always start with because it's the expression point. Okay, and then you go right here and go under like that. Okay, next you go like probably an inch onto the beak. You turn it like this, and then you turn it into hair. Those spikes that they always have. Okay. Then you start going down into this. You do the eye. They do that orange mark that they got, as you can see. I like to always color in the eye to make sure like it pops out. Okay. So next you go like this to do the wing. Okay. Next, you go up like that to do the stomach. Show you guys. There we go. Okay. Next, you do the legs. That I'm shaking. I'm doing this all with one hand. So the legs are not perfect in the world, but you'll live. I like to do these spikes because that's what they really have. So, as you can see. Okay, next thing I do is the tail. A simple tail. Okay, so now after this, I go back on the wing and I start like shading. Okay, start shading. Shade a little bit of the stomach. A little bit of the tail. Okay? And that's how you draw a cockatiel. Thank you. This has been the Bird Voice channel.